Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian markets were mixed on Wednesday, with stocks paring earlier gains on uncertainty over Europe, though Japan continued to outperform due to a weaker yen. Stocks started the day higher, helped by overnight news that new residential construction in US increased to its highest level in over 4 years in October. The upward pressure faded midway through the session after Eurozone finance ministers failed to reach a decision on how to handle Greece debt, dragging several markets into negative territory. Talks will reconvene on Monday, putting on hold a decision on whether to release the next chunk of bailout money to Greece, which needs the money to avoid default. The euro fell to $1.2748 compared to $1.2818 late in New York on Tuesday. The next regional data point will come from China, with preliminary manufacturing data for November due Thursday. The US dollar continued its ascent against the yen on Wednesday, recently at 81.81 yens compared with 81.67 late Tuesday in New York, though it retreated from its earliest highs following the European news. The dollar is trading at its highest level against the yen in over 7 months after the Bank of Japan completed its monthly policy meeting on Tuesday. Japanese stocks continued to rise on the back of the weaker yen, up 0.4%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index climbed 0.2%. Australia's ASX 200 was down 0.3% after Tuesday's slide in commodity prices put local mining companies under pressure. Today's Bank of England minutes may drop clues about what comes next for monetary policy. In the US, all eyes will be watching jobless claims data for signs of whether last week's surge in new claims was due to weather or the start of new troubles. Meantime, US consumer sentiment is expected to hold its recent gains. US initial jobless claims, 13:30 GMT. Last week's huge spike in new claims to 439,000 was arguably due to temporary distortions from Hurricane Sandy. This morning's release will put that theory to the test. Hanging in the balance is an optimistic view of last week's reversal of fortunes. The consensus outlook sees only a mild retreat, with claims dropping to 415,000. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.